everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 13th to the 17th of October 2025 on Monday. Faith confronts Gogo Siya, but instead of warning her off, offers a weekly bribe to keep seeing Nkosi. Gogo Siya accepts the cash, and the next morning Faith lies to honor, claiming Gogo Siya is popular in Tembisa on Tuesday. Nkosi becomes captivated by Gogo Siya and decides to take a month off for a spiritual journey with her. Mapula shocks her family by refusing medical treatment, trusting Prophet Ezekiel prayers on Wednesday. Bravusi is shocked when Msizi offers him a job at a new auto space shop. Mulefe is upset about being passed over for promotion and later seeks Skeleto as help in obtaining photos of Riasenzo from Dorothy on Thursday. Msizi reveals to Bravusi that his new auto space shop is actually a front for a stolen car part ring servicing Mozambique. Msizi coerces Bravusi into joining by threatening to expose their secret about Shogi's death on Friday. Bravusi refuses to work with Msizi's violent car thief and sets strict rules for theft. Meanwhile, gravely ill Mapula rejects medical treatment, relying on Prophet Ezekiel, who declares her illness a spiritual test. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.